Luwai is a historical coastal town located in the province of Bohol, Philippines. Situated at the mouth of the Lopok River about 18 kilometers from the Tagbilaran City. Luwai is known for its cultural heritage and scenic views. The town played a significant role during the Spanish colonial period and its hometown to the centuries-old Luwai Church, which showcased classic Spanish architecture.
Luwai also serves as a starting point for river crosses along the Lobok River, a popular tourist activity. The town economy is largely based on agriculture, fishing, and tourism.
Luwai is culturally and economically important to Bohol due to its heritage sites, tourist activities, and its role in connecting inland towns with coastal trade and transport routes. Luwai. Bohol is currently grappling with a significant water shortage that has been exacerbated and various factors over the years.
The primary sources of potable water in Luwai are groundwater extraction and the Loctob Spring. However, the Loctob Spring output is insufficient to meet the needs of Luwai and neighboring towns. This inadequacy is further compounded by the limited and insufficient groundwater resources in the area.
So the water shortage in Luwai, Bohol has several serious effects. It causes rivers and springs to dry up, which harms plants and animals in the environment. It also increases the risk of disease due to unclean water and poor hygiene, affecting people's health. Farmers and small business suffer income loss, and daily work is disrupted, affecting livelihoods. In the long run, it hinders the town's development and threatens water access for future generations.
So for now, we will try to find someone that would be able to answer our few questions about this issue. Based on your observation, in your community, we notice a water shortage in the Luwai, Bohol. It is true? When did this issue start to become noticeable? Kano saan nagsugod nga makita ang maong issue?
So, nagsugod ni nga issue sa mga pila na katuig nga nilabay nga mas mugrabe ni nga issue sa panahon nga tig-init o kanang magkuha og supply sa tubig.
Are these causes natural, human-made, or both? Kini bang mga hinungdan natural, hinimo sa tawo, o kombinasyon sa duha?
Ang mga hinungdan kay kombinasyon sa natural o hinimo sa mga tawo sama sa mga iligalaging polusyon o ang dili kontrolado nga paggamit sa tubig.
As a concerned citizen, how would you prevent this issue?
So aron malikayan ang nga issue diri sa Luway Bohol, kailangan ang pagkanaayo sa mga tubo, paglimpyo sa suba o pagtanom sa mga kahoy.
Suggestions about the water shortage in Luway Bohol. Implement tree planting in watershed areas. Install rainwater harvesting systems in homes and schools, and conduct community campaigns to promote water conservation. Role of youth. The youth can help by joining tree planting, clean-up drives, and promoting water conservation in school and online. Role of LGUs or local government units. LGUs should create policies, fund water projects, repair infrastructure, and lead awareness campaigns. Role of the community. Community members should use water wisely, report leaks, join local activities, and help protect water sources. Call to action. Let's take responsibility in addressing the water shortage in Luway Bohol. Whether you're part of the youth, local government, or the community, we all have a crucial role to play. Start conserving water support, reforestation efforts, and take part in initiatives to protect our water sources for the future generations. Reflection. Water is essential for life, and without it, our environment, health, and livelihoods are at risk. It's time to recognize the small actions like reducing waste and protecting our natural resources can make a big difference. Together, we can ensure a sustainable water future for Luway.